Hey everybody, this is Cliff at CultureSpots, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a spot on CultureSpots. But before we get into the system, let's go through a quick checklist of items you'll want to get together first. For reference, here's what a basic spot looks like on CultureSpots. So as you get prepared, make sure you've picked out a name for your spot. It could be the name of an object, the main idea of your audio, or whatever else you think would be appropriate. You can also have an ID number. Just remember that it needs to match whatever ID you might put on a wall label for your spot. You can also include a brief description about the spot, perhaps for photo or research credits, additional details, or maybe even a verbal description of the object for the blind and visually impaired. It's very important to have an image associated with your spot, especially so people can make a visual connection between your spot and the object, the location, or the idea that it's associated with. We strongly recommend you only use images that are horizontally oriented with an approximate 3:2 aspect ratio. And finally, the most important thing you need to have ready is an audio file. There's no time limit to your audio file, but we recommend you keep them around 30 to 90 seconds in length, max. You can upload audio in pretty much any modern popular audio file format. Now let's get into the system. After logging in with your admin account, you can click number 2, Create a Spot, right there in the middle of the landing page. Or you can go to our main navigation menu under Spots and click Create a Spot there instead. Here on the Create a Spot page is where you'll enter all the information we just went over in our checklist, with the exception of the audio file, which we'll upload on the next screen. Enter the name of your spot in the first field, and notice how the system created a pretty URL based on that name automatically. You can change it here if you want. Shorter is always sweeter. Next, if you wish, enter a unique numeric ID for your spot. Then, enter a brief text description, and after that, select an image file to upload as your spot's cover image. After that's all done, clicking the Submit button saves it all, with a little reminder there that the audio upload is what we'll be doing next. And there you see your spot has been created. Now you're seeing all the spot information again that you just entered, which you can still modify, of course. Among other things, it's also showing you the QR code our system automatically generated that's associated with just this spot. And so now let's finish this last most important step by choosing and uploading an audio file. In this example, recorded in English, though we could upload an audio file recorded in Spanish or German too. Once you see the message that the audio has finished processing, you know that the audio has been successfully uploaded. Just make sure to click and reload the processing status, making sure the audio has been activated so your visitors can actually access and listen to it. And that's it. That's how you create a spot. You can always download your original audio file or the compressed version anytime. And you can also always deactivate or even delete it too. As you create more spots, you'll want to visit the Manage Spots screen so that you can access a list of all your spots. Now that you know how to create your spots, you'll want to learn how to create your tours, which now I think will look very familiar to you. We have a video for that too. So hopefully this was helpful, and I thank you for watching.